Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reprogram your garage opener and also your garage remote controller. First thing you got to do, if you ever have issues where you need to reset it or delete the old codes, you just got to hold down the learn button for 6 seconds. The yellow button is the learn button. You just press it for 6 seconds and hold down for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3 until the blinking light turns off. So that means you erase all your codes. So now next you want to do is program your remote controller. So you just got to hit the learn button. And you just got to hold down your controller for about 6 seconds. You see that blinking light? And voila. And that's it. Let's test it out. That's all you got to do. And sometimes you want to delete your code because we had issues where we put too many codes in here and then we want to delete the code and reset it so we can program it. And same thing with this one here too. You go up here, hit the learn button for 6 seconds until the yellow blinking, the yellow light turns off. And then you hold this down, learn button, and hold the controller for about 3 seconds and while let go. And that's it. Let's test it out. There you go. That's all to it, guys. Real easy, real simple. And again, you ever need to delete your code, that's the best way to do it. It erases everything instead of having to go to your controller or your keyless entry outside where you have to reprogram. That's all you gotta do. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys.